Winter's coming to Northern Virginia. Is your home ready, or will you be caught off guard by expensive emergency repairs? Every year, unprepared homeowners face thousands in damage from frozen pipes, ice dams, and heating system failures. All problems that could have been prevented with proper fall preparation. Our complete fall maintenance checklist covers the essentials you need to protect your home. By preparing your home now, you can safeguard your property and finances throughout the winter season. Start with exterior tasks like roof inspections, gutter cleaning, and removing summer debris. Move on to interior preparation, including heating system tune-ups, filter replacements, and safety system checks. For complex jobs requiring specialized expertise, professional services are available. Begin your preparations in September with exterior work, then transition to interior tasks by October. Proper fall maintenance prevents costly emergency repairs, reduces your energy bills, and keeps your family safe and comfortable throughout the winter months. Don't tackle these important tasks alone. We have a network of trusted local professionals ready to help with everything from HVAC servicing to chimney cleaning and major repairs. Get our complete maintenance checklist and access to professional referrals by visiting our website or contacting us directly. Protect your home before winter arrives, because being prepared today saves you thousands tomorrow.